Buffalo chicken bites. You gotta try these.
Okay, let's get to work with this quick and easy recipe. I'll set my marinade aside, which is a combination of buttermilk, pickle juice, and hot sauce. Next, I'm going to slice and dice up my chicken, and then I'm gonna let that marinate for at least 45 minutes. If you can do it overnight, even better. Mixed in with my flour is a combination of my boom spice. That easy recipe is available on my YouTube channel. I've added in even more garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper, and some smoked paprika. Once everything's all coated up, I'm gonna get that fry going and deep fry these until they're golden brown. Buffalo chicken bites and chicken tenders are so delicious. I love them as cheat meals. Please do me a favor as well. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way you can take a look at all the great recipes that I post. Whether you call buffalo chicken tenders, street food, fast food, it's just great food.
Buffalo chicken bites, one of my favorite cheat meals. This is gonna be incredible, I already know it. I've air fried half, I deep fried half. I've got some French fries, which were also air fried. Overall, this meal is gonna be fantastic. Oh, I can't wait for this one here. A little bit of blue cheese, a little bit of hot sauce. Boom! Oh. It's just too good. Too good. Can't get them that good in a restaurant. Sorry. Uncle Drew's Kitchen, right here. I've used my boom spice in there, so it's got a lot of heat on top of that hot sauce. Fantastic. I've marinated that chicken overnight in buttermilk and pickle juice. Brings a fantastic flavor. It really breaks that chicken down. Overall, this is a 10 out of 10 cheat meal. So please remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn that notification button on. That way, every time I post a new recipe, you're gonna get notified so you can cook right along with me. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom! This is too good. This is too good. This is too good.